This is a 7-minute routine that's designed to help improve your balance. So balance is key when it comes to our overall health. The 7 exercises we're going to do to really enhance your balance are all standing. So if you're ready, let's get started. So here's a preview of exercise 1. We're simply going to do arms crossed and we're going to do 6 of these step overs, travel forwards, and then 6 going back, just imagining you're on a really narrow line. If with any of these exercises, you can always use a chair or wall for support. So cross your arms over your chest. Now give me 6 of these, travel that foot, bring the foot in front of the other, 6 forwards, and now take that 6 back. And you can see on the left, that arrow that's traveling up, that represents the duration of each exercise, so you know how long you've got left. Keep that upper body nice and tall. And all these exercises we're doing today are really going to help improve your balance. They're also great, believe it or not, for your brain health, posture, and mobility. And I've created this for you, so this 7-minute workout you can do as a 7-day challenge and watch how in 7 days you've improved your balance. Now, if you want to make it harder, you can take those arms out in front or out to the side. And remember, it's that narrow line, so stay with those feet coming directly in front, one of the other. So we'll have a look at exercise 2. This one, we're just going to do this wide step and then hold. So step it out wide, step wide, hold, and just keep alternating side to side. And just try and really hold that for a second. That's how we're then really working the balance. Again, you can see on the left, you can see your little arrow there. That's just telling you how long you've got on this exercise. And this one is especially really good around your knees, hips and ankles. This is going to help reducing strain and support healthier movement as well and better balance. Step that wide. And also, whenever we're doing these exercises, it really helps improve your coordination. It enhances the connection between the muscle and the nervous system, and that really helps your body move more efficiently. All right, that's good. Stepping that wide. And that's exercise. Let's have a look now. Exercise 3. So for this one, stand nice and tall for me and simply just draw the knee up and lift your arms up at the same time. And I'm just really highlighting where we're working here. Remember, if you do struggle with your balance, place a hand by a wall or on a chair. That's good, keeping that going, doing really well. And this one here really helps engage those deep core muscles, and that really helps to stabilize the spine and also improve your posture. If you want to make it harder, or if you find it hard having the arms up all the time, you can just cross your arms over your chest. Make the exercises work for you. And the point of doing these balance exercises is injury prevention. We want to reduce the risks of falls. All right, that's good. All right, so let's have a look at exercise 4. So for this, we're going to do a slight sit back, come up to a heels off the floor. And again, if you need to, place one hand by a wall or on a chair. So let's get ready. Lift the heels up and now sit back. Come up, heels up, and then sit back. And what's really good whenever we're doing this is also the cognitive and neurological benefits we get from exercise. This really helps with what we call improved body awareness. So you become more aware of your body's position, and that really helps with your coordination and reaction time. So heels come up and then just give me that sit back. Doing really well. And for the final exercise is where we're going to be testing your balance today. So already day 1, we're going to do a balance test and then you compare it come day 7. All right, that's good. Sit back, heels come up and sit back. All right, well done. So for the next move, now this one is really challenging. So I would say if you suffer a bit with bad balance, then have a chair or a walled hand and you can place one hand. the support. And all I want you to do is take one leg behind and lift, come back to the center and open the arms out wide. So we're just alternating. So we're really strengthening that leg that we're standing on as we extend the opposite leg away. And we're really working on those stabilization muscles through your feet, your ankles, through the legs as well. Plus focus on using your core. So we're really embracing all those muscles, open out wide. And the great thing is this is really working your brain as well, because balance training challenges the brain. It's helping to improve focus, reaction time, and that cognitive motor integration. So that's where your brain is really working with your muscles. That's good. Doing really well. Keep that slow and controlled. So for the next exercise, we're just going to do these leg lifts where we're just going to lift one leg out to the side. So we're just going to lift that up. So we're going to do 1, let's lift that 2, go 3, 4, and take that 5, 6, 7, 8, and now we're going to change and do 8 on the other leg. So again, for this one, if you need to have a hand by a wall for balance, so you're just doing sets of 8, make sure the supporting leg is slightly bent for me. And when you come back and do this tomorrow, remember you don't have to have me coaching you. You can always hit that mute button. And as we know, better balance reduces the risks of falls, sprains and fractures. And this is especially important as we age, which we all do age. So that's why it's important that we look after our balance. All right, that's good. Knee stays soft. And you'll really feel that one working through the legs as well. So for the final move, this is going to test your balance right now as well as improve your balance. So all you're going to be doing is standing in this position, and we're going to hold it for 25 seconds and you're going to see how many stars you can hold that balance for. So it's a really simple move. It's just about holding it and just measuring how long you can do it for. So come into position, leg up. If you struggle with balance, have one hand on a wall or by a chair and just hold that there now. Just see how long you can maintain that good balance. So you've got 10 stars. See if you can reach all the way to the 10th. And I've created you a little tick chart that you can get a picture of at the end of the video. Then each day you can write for like your left leg, how many stars did you make it to star 4? Then by the end of the week, you should be able to make it to star 10. All right, let's now change legs and we're going to do the same on the other leg. So keep those arms out, core muscles stay tight, and just really focus on holding your balance. See if you can make it to star 10. Trust me, if you make it to star 10, you have got the best balance. It's not easy. And this is all about just improving your own balance. It's about your personal journey. All right, that's good. Nearly done. So well done. There is your high five. And remember, this is always just about you and I investing in your future health. So I'll see you back on my YouTube channel later. And if you want now with your phone or just take a screenshot, you can print this off and each day just write down what star you made it to on your left leg, right leg. And let me know in the comments down below. Do this for 7 days and I bet you anything you improve your balance.